Hey guys, what's going on? I ordered a mystery box from Adam's Polishes, and I just want to show you guys what I got. This is one that was $29.99, and it's supposed to have over $50 worth of products in it. I've never ordered any products from Adam's yet, and I've been wanting to try their stuff out for a while. So I figured what better way than to order a mystery box and see what I get to try out. As you can see, the box is already opened. My wife got a little anxious and decided to open it and take a peek while I was at work, but I have not seen what is in it yet. So let's see what we got. Alright, I got a 2-pack of glass cleaning towels. Some leather and interior cleaner. Some tire and rubber cleaner, which I needed, so that's good. Some glass cleaner to go along with the glass cleaning towels. Let's see here. Some undercarriage spray. So we've got some sprayer nozzles. Adam sticker, of course. Some American flag mints. And it looks like that is it. I'll show you here what I paid exactly. As you can see here, I paid $29.99 and $7 flat rate shipping. I think it took about 5 days or maybe 6 days to get here. And right here is everything laid out here on the table. And I'll go ahead and show you guys on the computer what the total comes out to, see if it comes out to over $50 worth. Alright guys, I got it all pulled up here on the computer, showing the prices of each item, and they're all 16 ounces. Got the tire and rubber cleaner, undercarriage spray, the leather and interior cleaner, and the glass cleaner with the 2-towel pack. And the total comes out to $66.96. So it looks like it's well over $50. So it looks like it's a good deal. Alright guys, I can't wait to use some of these products. I'm really excited to use them. I've never used them before. So please like the video and comment below of what you think of these products, and if you think it's a fair deal, and if you like Adam's products, because I've never used them before, but I've heard really good things. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you on the next one.